Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you live withdraw from LTC ClickBot, so please subscribe guys for more earning videos. This is the LTC ClickBot link in description. Join the bot next. Click on visit sites. And then click on go to website. Click to open. Wait 20 seconds after see your balance amount. See, I have earned 0.0000285 coin. Back to bot and see, I have earned 0.0000285 coin. Message bot. No bot available. So next click on join chats. And click go to channel. And press join. After you join back to bot. Click on joined. You see the message. And I have complete another task. See my available balance. Click on referrals. Share this link to your friends and earn LTC. You can publish your ads. See how to withdraw. Click on balance. And click withdraw. Enter your LTC address. Enter the withdrawal amount. Check details correct. And click confirm. And click history. Withdraw is pending. Wait, guys. A few minutes later. Withdraw are successful. This is my payment. Live proof, no screenshot. Thanks for my all subscribers to support.